Hello friends, I am Shabin, your study time. Today I will show 7 tips to boost your study level. So let's get started. The first tip is when you do not want to study, just think about what will be its consequences if you do not study. The second tip is about do group study. Try to do group study with your friends and try to discuss about study with your friends. The third one is try to study in an organized way. When you are studying a subject, try to find out which subject can be related to that subject and then read them together. Fourth tip is write more and more, and this practice will improve your memorizing power. Sixth one is try to think the topic relevant to your study, because the irrelevant thought will not help you to do a study. The seventh tip is gather knowledge not only from textbooks but also from various sources. So friends, I hope these 7 simple tips will help you to boost your study level, and if you like my video then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, and if you have any comments then comment below and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.